To ungroup and change the colors for the football player on the app, you're going to press that green plus sign button in your Cricut Design Space app. If you have something on your canvas, just delete it off. Then you're going to press that upload button. You're going to press open upload images. If you don't have it uploaded, then you're going to want to upload the image into Cricut Design Space. You're going to make sure you click the one that has the multiple colors, because the design do come with 2 different SVGs. One of them, the one on the right, is just the plain. It's just going to be one color. The one on the left is the multiple colors. So that's the one you want to press. It's going to be large when it comes into Cricut Design Space. You can just use your fingers to pinch it to make it smaller. Then you're going to go down to the bottom and press actions and press ungroup. The whole image is grouped together. When you first press ungroup, it's going to move the fire. You're going to press the football player again. You're going to go back to actions and press ungroup again. When you press ungroup the second time, then whatever you click will move. So for me, I clicked the arms. So here we are. Now let me show you how you change the color of the arms. You're going to slide the taskbar over to edit, and you're going to choose the color that you want. So for me, I'm choosing brown. And then you're going to press apply. You're going to go back to the football player and you're going to click it again. It should be ungrouped, like right here. This is the black layer. So we're not going to do anything with that. We're just going to leave it plain black because that's our outline. And then here, this is the actual football player clothes. So we're going to go and change the color again, which I just pressed the little red dot and I changed it to yellow and pressed apply. You're going to do it for each part of the football player. You just click it. Change it to the color that you want it to be, press apply. And as you can see right here, I messed up. So if you messed up, just scroll over at the bottom and you're going to press the undo button. It's going to put it right back, and then you can move it and change it to whatever color that you want to do. But like I said, you're going to do it for each color, the gloves, if you want to change the color of the football player, the helmet. Just remember with the helmet, when you get to that part, it does have multiple layers to it. So just make sure you pay attention to that. You don't have to try to put it back together. If you notice, I'm not putting the football player back together because it doesn't matter. Once you press make it, it's gonna each layer is gonna go to a mat with that specified color. So you don't have to worry about putting it back together. So like I said, right here, I'm just changing the colors for you. All right, so now, okay, so I'm still changing colors. So I'm moving faster. Press that follow button, y'all. All right, so then you're going to press make it. When you press make it, it's going to show all of your mats. You'll see mats 1 through 6 because it's 6 different colors. So you can just scroll over and you'll see each mat for each color. For whatever colors you choose. When I change my colors, I change them to the colors that I want to use for the vinyl. Just remember that when you're changing it, in Cricut Design Space, you still have to match the vinyl to the color that you're changing it to, if that's the color that you want. And you can connect your phone. You can do this with your phone and just connect it to the Bluetooth. If you press the 6 at the top, you'll see it'll change the mats to look like this. Don't forget to mirror and put your vinyl face down.